Let's look now at this Scarce 1939 Guide to the Appalachian Trail in New England. We see here, it's the second edition. It's looks like it's produced with a typewriter, which I suspect it was. It's funny. There is also this supplement at the rear of it. But what's perhaps most interesting for a collector or someone considering this is this large, this is one of two large folding maps here. This is the trail in Connecticut. Interesting blue ink used here. Now we'll fold this up and we'll look at the second large map so you can see that. Okay, then we'll just get it out like so. Okay. And here is the second one. And this is the Appalachian Trail in Massachusetts. And this guidebook is now currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.